Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5, and today we will present about analysis of the speech acts in Angaru through YouTube. First of all, I will introduce my group member. First is Naufal Fajrin, second Rizal Alam Sa'amal, third Rahmat Hidayat, fourth Adelia Nurmutmainasam, fifth Nurani Safid, sixth Sahreni Nurhawesya, and the last Zalfa Akila. The first material will be presented by Sahreni Nurhawesya. Time is yours.
Interaction. The word Angaru comes from the Makassar language, which is mean promise. Angaru here is mean as a loyal promise addressed to people in Goa Kingdom in the past times. Nowadays, Angaru is usually used as a part of ceremony in Makassar, such as in wedding parties. It is also performed in some formal events, such as in the welcoming ceremonies, in seminars, meetings, and so on. Next is what is speech art? Speech art, according to Austin, implied that someone saying something is normally also doing something. Okay, thank you.
And then next material is about extract analysis. The first extract will be presented by me. Tabe kipamuporang mama. I said, forgive me. Extract 1 shows the use of representative speech act. In the above extract, the expressions show that the speaker tried to say before Aru begin. The speaker wants to forgive him first. This is the form of speech act because he wants the Lord do what he wants. And then extract 2 will be presented by Adelia. Time is yours.
Okay, extract 2. Ikaw angin karaeng, you are like the wind, the Lord. Naikambe leko kayu, I'm like the leaves. Mirik ko angin, blow the wind. Namarunang leko kayu, I'm willing to go away with you. Iasani madi diaji nurunang, although those of the yellow leaf had been destroyed. In extract 2, the speaker stated analogies of the breeze and the leaf in the expression, Ikaw angin karaeng naikambe leko kayu. You resemble the breeze, the Lord, I resemble the leaves. Along these lines, the speaker invested in the activities like he was the breeze and the king was the leaves. The demonstration attempted to submit the speaker to the reality of the communicated recommendation. This is a sort of delegate discourse act. The speaker spoke to himself, resembled the breeze, and the king resembled the leaves. That's all.
Okay, then extract 3 will be presented by Rahmat Hidayat. Time is yours.
Okay. Ikaw jetne karaing. You are like the water, the Lord. Naikambe batam mamayu. I am like the log of wood. Solongko jetne, flow the water. Namamayu batang kayu. I am willing to drift with you. Yasani sompo bonampi nakianyu. Although at the rising tide we drift. In extract 3, ikaw jetne karaeng nai kambe batang mamayu. Solongko jetne namamayu batang kayu. Yasani sompo bonampi nakianyu. The speaker spoke the activities by utilizing representation of the water and the log of wood in the articulation. Ikaw jetne karaeng, naikame batam mamayu. You resemble the water, the Lord. I resemble the log of wood. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, then next extract 4 will be presented by Rizal Alamsa Amal. Time is yours.
Okay. So in extra 4, ikaw jarum karaing, you are like needle, the Lord. Naikambe banam panjai, I am like the thread. Tak leko jarum, break it through the needle, na meminawa banam panjai, then I will follow inside your footpath. So in the extra 4, these portrayals denoted the agent part of both the king and the workers. The articulation attested that the king and the workers had their own job that should be supportive of fairly done. These portrayals can be categorized as an agent discourse act. In addition, the articulations show that demonstration of promising communicate in nama mayu batang kayu, I will float with you, nama minawam banam panjai, then I will follow entire trail. That's all.
Next extract 5 will be presented by Zalfa Kilat. Time is yours.
Slide. Okay, extract 5. Beranja kunipate ba. I'm like a big knife ready to cut. Pangkulu kunisoyang. The axe ready to swing. Ikate angin kareng. You are like the wind, the Lord. Naikambe batang mamayu. We are the leaves of the wood. Ikate jarum kareng. You are like the needle, the Lord. Naikambe batang panjai. Banang panjai. We are the thread. The speaker spoke to him as the innermost blade, berang, the hatchet, pangkulu, the leaves of the wood, batang mamayu, and the string, banang panjai. There are the image of being faithful to the king. Those things are generally utilized by the workers to carry out their responsibilities obliged by the king. That's all.
Okay, next extract 6 will be presented by Rizal Alamsa Amal. Time is yours.
Okay, so in extract 6, punna salam takamaya, if I break my promise letter, arukur dale kanta, as a promise in front of you, pangke ceraku, mark my grave, tinra bationjokku, cross my history, pawang anak riboko, tell to order next generation, pasang anak tanjari, advise to younger sons and daughters, to makanaya karaing, if I just can't promise the Lord, natana rupa janjina, but cannot to do. So in this extra, the speaker declared that all he said is true, then this all going to be proved Sunday. This is one of the speech egg in this aru. That's all.
Okay, the last extract 7 will be presented by Noval Fajrin. Time is yours.
Kunna salang takamaya, if later it is not proved. Arukuri dalek kanta, the promise that I have said no. Pangkai jarakku, cross my grave. Cinraki bate onjoku, stick my footpath. Pindrai arengku, change my name. Biasalah jari-jariku, curse my sibling. So these are a type of promising, which should be reliable with the activities. On the off chance that he neglected to demonstrate what he stated. He was liable to certain activities. For example, denoting his grave and changing his name in the story. So I think that's all.
Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you very much for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.